Hello everyone, we are from Team Undefined and have addressed the fifth problem statement that focuses on developing reproducible research notebooks to analyze AI incident database. The AI incident database documents real-world harms and failures of AI systems, but the lack of accessible and reproducible analytical tools makes it difficult for policymakers and other stakeholders to extract reliable trends, interpret findings, and build evidence-based AI policy. In order to address this problem, we have developed a fully functional end-to-end runnable notebook that can be used by anyone, be it technical experts, policymakers, journalists, or even people with no coding experience. What makes our approach powerful is that it is fully automated, which means it fetches the latest dataset directly from the source, pre-processes to build visualizations, and performs analysis all in one go. We have made it end-to-end reproducible for anyone to rerun and get identical results. This is also transparent because we have explicitly documented every pre-processing step, assumption, and limitation. We have also made this accessible via an AI-powered web interface so that non-technical users can interact with the data. Instead of static dashboards, we provide a research-ready workflow that others can extend, validate, or audit. Let's now dive into the live demonstration part. As you can see, the first step involves setting up the basic libraries which we have installed here so that we can get started with the actual work. Once these libraries are installed, we find the latest snapshot from the AI incidents database according to the latest timestamp. And once this is found, we download the snapshot and extract the individual data files that are consisting in it. As you can see, these are the individual data files, and all of these individual data files boil down to these most important data, which is incidents, reports, MIT classifications, GMF, and CSET classifications. So now that we have the individual data files, next step involves cleaning and pre-processing stuff. So as you can see here, we load every single data file here, try to clean them, where we make sure that all the different stylistic inconsistencies are made uniform so that we can merge them finally and make them as one large master data set. So we also perform some statistical analysis so that we can extract some trends from the final master data set that we build. Once this master data set is built, majority of our work is done. We'll move on to the visualization part. So the first step involves building a filter for people who want to extract incidents depending on their own customizations, and for people that want further visualizations, we also provide them with charts. For the time being, we are not going to discuss about the charts because we have made a web UI where people can interact with these charts, produce results as per their own wish. So these are the charts as of now. And this notebook has another speciality, which is it generates a UI link every time, so which takes you to this website where people with non-technical background can also interact with the data. So let's say I want to know the number of incidents recorded or reported due to deepfake. We can see that here. I can, if I want, export it as a CSV and download it so that it's stored locally and can be processed further. We also have 5 other tabs like this where we have different kinds of charts that can be generated. Let's say I want to know the incidents per year or year-over-year growth, the physical harms that were reported and all that. So the third tab talks about the different entities whose deployment resulted in these AI fails. And this is about the harm landscape, where we talk about the different taxonomy breakdown on how globally these harms and failures were reported and the top 15 sectors in which these systems were deployed and then they failed. Next is the high impact incidents, which basically talks about the top 10, top 15, 20, 50 incidents that were reported and caught the most media coverage. And the last one is a little special. This is an AI assistant. We went a bit further for the people to, let's say, what was the most reported incident in AI harm. You can see that within seconds The system will give you a response in a very plain English language for people to understand. It says the most reported AI incident is the incident 1125. So if you want to know what 1125 is, you can go to the retrieved incident to see that the incident was actually retrieved from the RAG chat bot. So apart from the notebook and web UI, we have also attached two extensive documentations for people from both technical and non-technical backgrounds to understand the system. We hope you like our work and we have come up with an effective solution. Thank you very much for listening to us.